Welcome everyone to our video on 5 easy ways to declutter your home. Are you tired of the mess around you and want to create a more organized and peaceful living space? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started with our first easy way to declutter your home. The first step to declutter your home is to start small. Choose a room, a corner, or even just a drawer, and begin your decluttering journey there. It's not necessary to tackle the whole house at once. Starting small will make the task less overwhelming and more achievable. The second step is to categorize your items. Divide everything into 2 piles. One for things that you need and use regularly, and another for things that you don't need or haven't used in a while. This will help you identify what's essential and what's not. Our third tip is to follow the 1 in, 1 out rule. For every new item that you bring into your home, make sure to get rid of another item. This will prevent your home from becoming cluttered again. Fourthly, consider donating items that you no longer need. Not only will this free up space in your home, but it will also give your items a new life and help someone in need. Lastly, make decluttering a routine. It's not a one-time task. Make it a habit to regularly go through your items and get rid of anything that you no longer need. This will ensure that your home remains clutter-free in the long run. So those were our 5 easy ways to declutter your home. Remember, decluttering is not about getting rid of everything. It's about making space for the things that truly matter. Thank you for watching, and happy decluttering!